In this video, we are going to share ideas on online making money ideas that you can start tomorrow. Online side hustles you can start tomorrow. So let's start off with some of the easiest ways to make money online that have very low barrier to entry. You will not become a millionaire by implementing just one or two of these online side hustles. However, if you've never made a single penny, side hustling online, you can easily implement a few minutes from now. So 1, you can become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are skilled home-based professionals that offer companies, businesses, and entrepreneurs administrative support. Many highly successful online and offline entrepreneurs are very busy people and are always in need of support to carry out their day-to-day tasks such as replying emails, etc. Being a virtual assistant, you can take up some of these little tasks off the shoulders of the busy entrepreneurs and pocket some money. As long as you have some basic skills of computing office software such as Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint, etc., and some knowledge of internet, you can get started by joining websites like Upwork and Fiverr, and then start making money. You can start charging from anywhere from $5 to $15 per task, and then you can increase your charges as you build your credibility level and experience. If you specialize in a certain skill set, then you can find clients through referrals, Facebook groups, or by creating your own website and then get services. So these are some of the areas I recommend you can look at as a virtual assistant. You can become a customer service support, social media management, graphic design, personal assistant, website setup or tech support, data entry, etc. So you can look at these areas as a virtual assistant. Now you can also become a freelance writer. Freelance writers are making money from the comfort of their couches. These guys have good writing skills and great interest in writing articles for blogs, websites, and newspapers for publication. And this side hustle particularly is suitable for those who have who see writing and researching as a hobby. Remember, anything that becomes a hobby is no longer a job. And this is very much like a virtual assistant, that is VA. So you can join any of the freelance websites and start with and start there, and then make money as you go along. So with freelance writers, you need to have a niche that you can write about. It could be about dating, traveling, cars, making money, relationship, etc. So once you establish track record and can point to amazing content you have created, the referrals will start piling up, and then the money also start trickling in. So as a freelance writer, you can charge anywhere between $5 to $75 for every 1,000 words of article, and you can increase your charges as you move along. And once again, a place you can start is Fiverr or Upwork. You can equally become a virtual bookkeeper. So a virtual bookkeeper, you can start without any college degree or no startup capital. All you need is your internet cost. So as long as you are willing to put some little effort, you love figures and financial softwares like QuickBooks and Xerox, then you are good to go. If you're an accountant or a bookkeeper, you can provide virtual accounting services for clients remotely. Virtual bookkeepers have bookkeeping softwares that they use to manage their work. So you can see they don't actually do it themselves. So it's virtually the software that is helping them to do that. So you are basically, the work is very flexible, and lately there are several web-based file management softwares that you can use. You start by targeting small businesses by providing them monthly transaction recordings, reporting, and other services. Then you can charge somewhere from $100 to $300, for working 3 to 4 hours per client. So just having 3 to 4 clients on your site, you can actually earn some extra cash for your family. You can also take surveys online and make money. It's one of my favorite terms. So you probably did not know that you could earn money from taking online surveys. You need to spend 5 to 60 minutes per survey to earn, and averagely you can earn anywhere from 75 cents to $15 per survey. I must say that the amount you earn is actually depend on the amount of work or time required. Though there are several fake survey sites, there are a lot of them that are equally legitimate. I will be leaving a link below that can lead you to some of the sites I actually use. So several of the surveys are country specific, but there are some too that are global in nature. So let's look at a few criteria that you can use to select some of the best surveys. Now the thing is, one, the questionnaires should come from legitimate and trustworthy companies. Remember, these are companies that are, there are companies that are actually giving out that need these surveys. So they are then performing them getting the responses for those companies. And there is also a steady supply of surveys. They should never run out of surveys, and they pay a reasonable amount for the time you invest in them. And you can always check out the trustworthiness of these sites. And Trustpilot is actually one place I use, and anywhere between 7.5 score and above, I consider it to be good. Wow, my favorite, blogging. So you can become a blogger. It's one of the biggest side hustles you can. The profit level is actually unlimited. So blogging actually requires a lot of hard work, patience, and determination. It can take you more than 3 months or years before you start seeing results. So the chances of giving up is actually very high. So blogging is actually a long-term thing. It needs patience, but the reward can be very huge. So blogging is a great online thing. There's a lot of marketing opportunities, and it's a home-based business on its own. So while using your blog, you can promote other things and make money. As an affiliate, you can make money. If you also have your own product, you can equally promote your own product and make money. You can make money by advertising on your network, such as AdSense. And these days there are other similar companies like AdSense, that you can put on your website or blog to make money. So if you have services you are promoting, that is good, you can make money. And you can, when your blogging business takes off, you can make anywhere from $1,000 a month to $10,000 or $100,000. One big area is cashback apps. If you are not using cashback apps, then you are just losing free money. So by definition, one might say a cashback app is any online shopping app that must be linked with a credit card and pays you for shopping. So this is by far the easiest way to make money online, in my opinion. So some cashback sites will pay you as much as 10 to 40% instantly each time you use it to purchase a product. So anybody with a credit card or debit card can easily make money with it, and there is literally no effort on your part. We all purchase products. We purchase online and offline, and you can make money with the right cashback app. So if your target is $500, all you just need to do is to earn $42 in a month. And I recommend that you document and track your progress as you use these cashback apps, so that you can actually tell a story whether you are hitting your target or not. In most instances, you just need to download a credit card and then link your you just need to download the app and link your debit or credit card. So there is nothing else for you to do. All you just need to do is to shop, and then sometimes you may need to provide a proof, and then you are paid, and that is it. For other apps, you don't need to provide any proof. It takes all those details as you shop. So you'll be rewarded instantly anytime you buy using the app. So in conclusion, there are several thousands of free online side hustles ideas out there that you can implement to start making tomorrow. It is my belief that you find in this short video some ideas that actually inspire you, and you can start with them. The idea in itself is never enough, but what is important is you taking action, no matter how trivial it is. Take action. That is what you need to do.